In July of this year, astronomers detected a strange green visitor speeding into our solar system at nearly 60 kilometers per second. At first, it was dismissed as just another interstellar wanderer, the third after Oumuamua and Boris. But as the weeks passed and the object now known as 3E Atlas drew closer to the Sun, something began to happen that no one could explain. Instead of following the predictable path of a comet, it started to expand and glow with a brightness far beyond expectations. Its coma grew to sizes rivaling stars, and its light curve broke every model designed to track it. Scientists now warn that as it reaches its closest approach to the Sun, it could become even brighter and stranger still, defying everything we know about interstellar objects. But what is powering this rapid transformation? Is it just ice and dust sublimating under solar heat? Or is 3E Atlas hiding something far more extraordinary within its core? The first anomaly came when 3E Atlas crossed within 2 astronomical units of the Sun, where its apparent brightness suddenly jumped. Light curves are normally reliable. As comets approach the Sun, they brighten in smooth, predictable increments. But Atlas didn't follow the script. Its glow surged far more than expected, creating a leap in magnitude that left astronomers scrambling. Amateur observers with modest telescopes saw it flare brighter than entire models allowed. Spectroscopic readings suggested the glow wasn't just from its coma, but from deep within its nucleus. That implied something inside the object was fueling its light, a process not seen in ordinary comets. Some suggested hidden reserves of exotic ices were releasing energy as they vaporized. Others whispered of entirely new mechanisms, processes closer to nuclear reactions than chemistry. Whatever the cause, the fact remained: Atlas was no longer behaving like a simple chunk of ice and rock. It was becoming a beacon. As Atlas grew brighter, another mystery emerged: the eerie green tint radiating from its coma. Normally, such colors are linked to molecules like diatomic carbon, C2, glowing when struck by sunlight. But the first spectrographic analyses of Atlas had shown no overabundance of these molecules. And yet, as it closed in on the Sun, the green intensified. Astronomers in Namibia captured stacked images showing a dense emerald glow shimmering as though something deeper than chemistry was unfolding. Some suggested new elements were volatilizing from the nucleus, revealed only under extreme heat. Others proposed something far stranger: that its plasma environment, a charged mix of dust and ionized gases, was behaving like a self-organized system. Its electromagnetic currents shaped light in ways that mimic life itself. To the untrained eye, it was simply a glowing green star in motion. But to scientists, it was a signal that 3E Atlas may not just be reacting to the Sun. It may be evolving under its touch. One of the strangest features of 3E Atlas is its tail, or rather, the lack of one. Comets always form tails streaming away from the Sun as radiation blasts dust and gas outward. But Atlas doesn't fit that pattern. Observations show its coma expanding in the sunward direction, forming what astronomers call an anti-tail. It pushes directly toward the very star that should be stripping it bare. In stacked images, the green plasma halo points forward instead of trailing behind, a phenomenon that defies conventional physics. Some compare it to a magnetic sail catching the solar wind in a way that bends plasma flows back toward the Sun. Others suggest it could be evidence of artificial structuring fields manipulating charged particles into precise geometries. To skeptics, it is simply another anomaly in a long list. But to those who look deeper, the anti-tail may be the strongest evidence yet that Atlas is not natural at all, but something crafted, maneuvering through forces we barely understand.